There was a time where I had gotten an emergency service call, and I went out to look at, there was six mansions, like 6,000 square foot mansions in Orinda, California. And we went out there and found out that PG&E was working on a transformer, and they had done something wrong, and that transformer blew up, which then caused a surge of electricity to go through that part of the neighborhood. Those six houses all lost their built-in Viking refrigerators and their furnaces. All got their circuit boards were all fried, and they had to replace both their furnaces and their refrigerators. There was one person, the seventh house. He had a surge protector and had solar battery backups and that sort of thing. His house was the only house out of the rest that did not get affected, and he was protected because he had a new panel upgrade with brand new surge protection in his house, and he was happy and safe sitting in his house while everybody else was without electricity.